What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we wanted to show you guys how to convert your 9007 LED bulbs to 9004 LED bulbs. The only difference between these two is just the pin configuration. In this video, we wanted to show you how to change the pin configuration on the 9007 LED bulb to the 9004 LED bulb pin configuration. So let's say you bought the 9007 LED bulbs and it was the wrong application and you needed 9004 LEDs. All you need to do is just change the pin configuration. So in the 9007 LED bulbs, the pin configuration goes as follows. So your ground is in the center where the pin is at, which would be the white wire. Your low beam is the black wire, where the pin is right here on the right side. And your high beam is the left pin, which is the red wire. So what you would need to do is to change the pin configuration for the 9004 LED. So your ground would move to the left side. Your high beam, which is the red wire, will now go onto the right side. And your black wire, which is the low beam, would go into the center. So in order to do this, all you need is just a small screwdriver. You see right here. So to remove these pins from the connector plug, all you need to do is grab the screwdriver you see right here. Sorry guys, you can't really see here, but if you really look closely, I'm gonna try to show you guys right where the camera's at. You see those holes? I already removed the pins from one of the 9007 LED bulbs. So here are the wires. Again, this is your ground, the white wire, you see right here. The red wire is your high beam, and the black wire is your low beam. So if you look closely at one of the pins, there's a tab you see right here. You're going to use the screwdriver and apply pressure and then pull on the back side of the connector plug and you'll be able to remove the wire. Let's do the red wire first. So we're going to grab the screwdriver. I'm going to place right here where the hole's at, and just make sure you guys pull. Next we'll take the ground, which is the white wire in the middle. Apply pressure to the tab and pull. So we just removed the ground. Next, we're going to remove the low beam. There you go. So we removed all the wires from the connector plug. And now we're going to do the pin configuration for the 9004 LED. For the 9004 pin configuration, the ground would be right here on the left side. The center would be the low beam, and the right side would be the high beam. So on the left side of the connector plug, so the ground, which is the white wire, would go into the left side of the connector plug you see right here. The low beam, which is your black wire, you see right here, would go into the center of the connector plug, and the high beam, which is the red wire you see right here, would go into the right side of the connector plug. So let's convert now to the 9004 pin configuration. So now we're going to grab the ground, which is the white wire. We're going to place it onto the left side like that. Next would be your low beam, which is going to be in the center. So you're going to grab the black wire, go. Last but not least is your high beam, and this would go into the right side. So your ground, low beam, and high beam. Ground, low beam, and high beam. So there you have it, guys. We have successfully converted the 9007 LED pin configuration to the 9004 LED pin configuration. So if you guys purchased the 9007 LED bulbs and you actually needed the 9004 LEDs, all you would need to do is just convert the pin configuration of the 9007 to the 9004. So if you guys felt that this video was helpful, make sure you guys like this video, share this with your other friends, and make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel at Froom400, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.